Aren't you clever girl sitting up? Aren't you clever? Who's that? How am I going to pull that down? You can play. You're very good at sitting. Oh, here's your new book. Clip him on. There you go. Maisie, can you wave your hand? Raise your hand. Can you clap your hands? Cough, cough. Clap your hands. That's my clever girl. Hey.